Intense heat is going to bring the possibility for severe thunderstorms as we go throughout Wednesday into Thursday, and some of those could actually be pretty intense. Let's break it down. Okay, so here's the severe thunderstorm outlook put out by the Storm Prediction Center. Now, this is for Wednesday into Wednesday night. Notice we have the green, which is a 1 out of 5 on the scale. A yellow risk, which is a slight risk, is a 2 out of 5 on the scale, and further out to the back to the west, that is a 3 out of 5 on the scale over Wisconsin. What will likely happen is an intense line of thunderstorms develops right on the fringes of the heat. This is also called kind of the ring of fire pattern, and that's going to allow that line to feed off the heat and humidity as it crosses the state. Now, this is the outlook as we go into the day Thursday. Notice that it's shifted south. It's including almost the entire lower peninsula, but we're also starting to get into some of more of those intense colors. That would be down toward the southwest part of the state. So we'll have to watch this very closely. I'm going to break it down here for you as we go throughout a couple different models, probably the HRRR, the RRFS, a couple different ones like that. All right, now this one's a little different. This is called the RRFS, the Rapid Refresh Forecast System. This is slated to kind of take the place of the HRRR down the road, so that's why I'm going to start showing it here a little bit just so we can get our bearings with it. But overall, this is going to show you kind of the same thing as what the HRRR showed us. So as we go throughout your Monday into your Tuesday, right there are those showers and storms, but this one goes further out, so that's why it's going to pick up where the other one left off. This is now getting into Wednesday morning. This is 8 o'clock in the morning for your Wednesday right here. As we go to about the noon hour right here, you can see we're already starting to see some activity in the western UP, just a little bit of rain though. But as we go throughout the day, we're really heating things up. So now we're into the dangerous heat index readings, 100 to 105 for the lower peninsula, and a little bit toasty in the UP as well. But into the evening hours, there's that line of storms developing. Now this is pretty much going to be driven off its own outflow, which means as cold air rushes out, it helps the storms develop out ahead of it by lifting up hot and humid air as the cold air pushes underneath it. So it's going to be what we call outflow driven. Now notice this line is meaning business, and we're getting those kind of bowing segments indicating the high wind possibilities. This is now at midnight between your Wednesday and Thursday. So technically Thursday morning at 12 a.m. This is 1 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning, 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning, 6, 7, 8 o'clock in the morning into your Thursday, 9, 10, 11, before that round starts to make its way on out. And then a couple more could be developing in the heat of the day for your Thursday as well. That is a line we're going to have to watch very carefully. I think we'll have some pretty intense straight line winds. Now this is showing basically the fuel available for those thunderstorms. So I'm starting right at Wednesday, going into the day Wednesday, and look at that. Now this is higher than I've seen it in Michigan in some time. And this isn't the only model saying that we're going to have these